Tudor-Style Home with modern upgrades in Rockwood Park, Howard Beach. This beautifully updated Tudor-style home offers over 2,700 square feet of living space, including a finished basement with a family room, bathroom, laundry area, and storage. A wood-burning fireplace warms the living room, while the formal dining room and renovated eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry make entertaining easy. The first floor features 2 spacious bedrooms and a fully updated bathroom with porcelain tiles, new vanity, tub, toilet, and linen closet. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom. Modern updates include a new tankless water heater, updated plumbing and electrical systems, central air, 3-zone heating, and fully owned solar panels for energy efficiency. Outside, the freshly painted stucco exterior, new granite front porch steps, detached 1-car garage, private driveway.